What if I told you there was a way to effortlessly boost your savings, almost without even noticing it? No drastic budget cuts, no complex investment strategies, just a simple, automated trick that turns your everyday spending into a saving superpower. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving deep into a game changer that's transforming how people save, aligning your savings with roundups and Roger. We all know saving money can feel like an uphill battle. You set a goal, you try to stick to a budget, and then life happens. An unexpected bill, a spontaneous outing with friends, that must-have gadget, suddenly, your meticulously planned savings are derailed. It's a frustrating cycle, and it often leaves us feeling like we're constantly playing catch-up. Traditional saving methods, while effective for some, can feel restrictive, demanding a level of discipline that's hard to maintain consistently. You open a separate savings account, you set up a direct deposit, and then you watch your checking account dwindle, sometimes leading to a feeling of deprivation. This mental hurdle is a significant barrier for many, making saving feel less like a smart financial move and more like a punishment. But what if saving could be integrated seamlessly into your existing spending habits, almost like an invisible force working in your favor? What if every time you bought your morning coffee, filled up your tank, or grabbed groceries, you were also putting a little extra aside, painlessly and automatically? This is where the magic of roundups comes in, and Roger has mastered the art of integrating this simple yet powerful concept into your financial life. For those unfamiliar, Roger is more than just a financial management tool. It's a smart assistant designed to simplify your money matters. It helps you categorize your spending, track your budget, and provides insights into your financial health. But one of its most compelling features, and the one we're focusing on today, is its ability to harness the power of roundups for accelerated savings. Imagine a world where every single transaction, no matter how small, becomes a mini deposit into your savings. That $3.50 coffee? Roger rounds it up to $4, and that extra 50 cents quietly slips into your savings pot. Your $18.75 grocery bill? Rounded up to $19, with 25 cents heading to your financial future. These small, seemingly insignificant amounts, when aggregated over days, weeks, and months, transform into a surprisingly substantial sum. It's the financial equivalent of the butterfly effect, where tiny actions lead to significant outcomes. The beauty of Roger's Roundup feature lies in its effortlessness. There's no conscious decision-making involved in each transaction. You don't have to manually transfer funds, calculate percentages, or even remember to save. Roger does all the heavy lifting in the background, making saving a passive and almost enjoyable experience. This automation is key to its effectiveness. We often procrastinate on financial tasks that require active effort. By removing that barrier, Roger ensures that your savings journey is continuous and consistent. It's like having a dedicated savings assistant working tirelessly for you 24/7 without ever complaining or taking a break. So, how exactly do you set up and maximize this incredible feature within Roger? Let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll need to ensure your bank accounts are securely linked to your Roger account. This is the foundational step, as Roger needs to see your transactions to initiate the roundup process. Roger employs robust security measures, so you can rest assured that your financial data is protected. Once your accounts are linked, navigate to the savings section within the Roger app or web interface. Here, you'll typically find an option to enable roundup savings or something similar. This is where the magic begins. Upon enabling the feature, Roger will usually prompt you to select a destination for your roundup funds. This is a crucial decision, as it allows you to align your roundup savings with specific financial goals. Do you want to save for a down payment on a house? A dream vacation? A new car? An emergency fund? Or simply a general savings pot for future opportunities? Roger allows you to create multiple savings goals, each with its own designated roundup allocation. This personalized approach makes saving far more motivating. Instead of just saving money, you're actively working towards a tangible goal, which provides a powerful psychological boost. Once you've selected your savings goal, Roger will start monitoring your linked transactions. Every time you make a purchase using a linked debit or credit card, Roger will automatically round up the transaction to the nearest whole dollar. The accumulated roundup amounts are then typically transferred in a lump sum, either daily, weekly, or when a certain threshold is met, from your linked checking account to your designated savings goal. This aggregation prevents a multitude of tiny transfers, which can sometimes look messy on bank statements, and instead provides a clear, consolidated deposit. Now, let's talk about optimizing this feature to truly supercharge your savings. While the standard roundup is fantastic, Roger often offers advanced options to fine-tune your approach. For instance, some platforms allow you to multiply your roundups. This means instead of just rounding up to the nearest dollar, you could choose to double or even triple the roundup amount. So, that 50-cent roundup could become $1 or even $1.50, accelerating your progress even further. This is a great option for those who are looking to aggressively build their savings without feeling the pinch of larger, manual transfers. Another powerful strategy is to combine roundups with other automated savings features within Roger. Perhaps you have a small, fixed amount that you can comfortably save each week or month. By setting up a recurring transfer alongside your roundups, you create a multi-layered savings approach. The recurring transfer provides a consistent baseline, while the roundups act as an additional, effortless boost, capitalizing on your everyday spending. This combination ensures a steady flow of funds into your savings, regardless of your spending habits on any given day. Furthermore, regularly reviewing your Roger savings insights can be incredibly motivating. Roger typically provides clear visualizations of your progress towards your goals. Seeing how quickly those small roundups are accumulating can be a powerful reinforcement, encouraging you to stay consistent and perhaps even look for more ways to optimize your savings. It transforms abstract numbers into tangible progress, making the saving journey more engaging and rewarding. You might be surprised at how quickly those seemingly insignificant cents turn into tens, hundreds, and even thousands of dollars. It's a testament to the power of compound saving and consistent, automated action. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.